Hello guys, welcome back to our course. This is the Python course for beginners. This is the module number 4 and in this lecture we are going to cover Python operators and expressions. So let's get started guys. So first of all, what is operators? So what are the operators? We are going to cover this. So operators are special symbols that are used to perform operations on values. So we are going to perform operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. by using operators like arithmetic operators, then comparison operators. We are going to cover all these things in this lecture. So Python has a number of built-in operators including arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and bitwise operators. So now, first of all, we are going to see arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used to perform very basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So this is the arithmetic operations, and we have provided this table. So from this table we can see all these things. So I am going to cover this table. So in this side, in left side, these are the operators and these are the description of that operators. So first one is this operators. So this is the plus sign, means it is a addition operator. So we are going to perform addition by using plus. Then this is the minus symbol. It is used for subtraction. We are aware of that. But in our like in general we use cross sign for multiplication, but in Python or in any other programming language we use asterisk or star for multiplication, and for division we are going to use this slash. So slash is used for division. Then this is the double slash, means floor division. So we are going to consider only integer type of value in the floor division. If we are multiplying, uh, if we are dividing 5 by 2, then we are going to get quotient of 2.5. But by using floor division, we are going to get only 2 as our quotient. So this is known as floor division. And modulus means when we are going to take the division, then for remainder we use this modulo operator, or this is the percentage sign for modulus. So we are going to get only remainder for our division. So this is the modulo operator. Now we are going to see comparison operators. So what are the comparison operators? So comparison operators are used to compare two values and return a boolean value which is true or false. So this is the comparison operators. So we are going to compare two values. Then this is the table for comparison operators. So this is also same. So first of all, this is the equal to operator. We have already discussed about this. So this is known as equal to operator. Then second one is not equal to sign. So when we use exclamatory sign and with this equal to sign, then it is known as not equal to. Then this is the less than sign. So this is very confusion for beginners, that they are not uh, they cannot difference between the less than and equal to. They are confused between them. But this is the less than sign and this is the greater than sign. Then this is the less than equal to and this is the greater than equal to. So these are the comparison operators. Okay, so now you have understood arithmetic operators and comparison operators. Now we are going to see logical operators. So what is the logical operators? So logical operators are used to combine two or more boolean values and return a single boolean value. So this table is for logical operators. So it will we are going to combine two values and we are going to get single boolean value. So there are three operators, three logical operators. First one is and or not. So we can use directly as and or not. So this is and operator will perform logical and when both values are correct true, then it will provide true. This is the or when one value between two are the correct or true, then it will provide true. And not operator, it will inverse the result. So if we get true, then it will invert to false. When we get false, then it will invert to true. So this is the logical operator. Now we are going to see bitwise operator. Bitwise operators are used to perform operations on bits. So it will perform operation on bit by bit. So bits are the smallest unit of data in a computer. Like you get byte. Byte means 8 bits mean 1 byte. So this is the bits. Bits are the smallest unit of data in computer. Bitwise operators are often used in cryptography and other low level programming tasks. So this is, if you are not understanding this, then it's okay, because we don't use the bitwise operators generally. Okay, so now we are going to see expressions. So an expression is a combination of operators and values that evaluate to a single value. So expression can be used to perform calculation, compare values, and combine values in a different ways. So the following example of expression. Expression means like mathematical expression. We have already learned all this expression in our fifth or sixth standard. So this is the mathematics. So like this is the expression, like this is the 10 plus 5 into 2. But we are going to see what will happen to this expression, which operator will be perform op operation, and then which have highest priority and which have less priority. So we are going to see this in this uh, slide. Okay, so evaluating expression. Python evaluate expression from left to right and following the order of operation. So it will perform from left to right. The order of operation is set of rules that determine which operators are evaluated first. The following table shows the order of operation in Python. Okay, so now this is the now you will understand this. So first of all, anything written in the parenthesis will have highest priority, and exponent means 2 raised to 5, so it is known as exponent. So this will perform after the parenthesis. Then multiplication and division have less priority than exponent, and at last addition and subtraction have very less priority. So this is the priority table which shows the priority of operators. Now at last we are going to see using of operators and expression effectively. Operators and expression are essential tools for writing Python code. By understanding how to use operators and expression effectively, you can write more concise and efficient code. So this is all about over this lecture. We have seen operators and expressions. So how you can use operators. There are different type of operators such as comparison, arithmetic, and logical, and bitwise. Then we have seen expression. Then we have seen priority of each expression and each operator. So this we have covered all these things in our lecture. So we are going to conclude our this session, and we have seen all these things. So thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye. If you have any question, then you can ask in the uh, Q&A section. I will answer each and every question. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.